Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today I have a beautiful story to tell. Okay, story to tell in the sense a beautiful class. Actually this subject or this topic, this is very useful for many students. For example, okay, I give you the question, I give you the trailer of this movie, okay, and then you can give me the comments in the comment section. Okay, see the story is as follows. Okay, see, for example, let's imagine, just imagine that you are an architect. Okay, so when you open this drawing, you see these many, many number of layers. Let's say these many layers are there, and let's say 90% of them is not in your scope of work. For example, electrical. E means electrical. Okay, see here, E means electrical. Okay, and then F furniture, and then you have M means mechanical, and so on, so big story is there. Okay, so when you open this drawing, let's say this drawing or any drawing, okay, this is called an alien, let's say it's called standard practice, okay, in the sense the naming nomenclature. Okay, so A means architecture, this is kind of a standard. Okay, so if it's E means electrical, so the whole world knows E means electrical, A means architectural. Okay, so this is called good practice. So you don't do these kind of practice 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 10, let's say 5 minutes, or let's say even 10, 20 minutes, or let's say even 1 year afterwards, you open the file, you do not know what does 0 mean. Signify means what? You will have to open one layer. Okay. Okay, just this is what now actually 2 questions came up actually. Okay, one question is like buy one get one free, isn't it? Okay, so the story is as follows. Okay, let's suppose you open this drawing, or let's say this drawing is more better. Okay, isn't it? You get something called a shock of your life. So many things, it becomes called stress for no reason, isn't it? Let's suppose, okay, imagine that we'll do this class step by step. Okay, imagine that you are an architect. Okay, so you see that lot of things, let's say this air terminals, diffuser, not diffuser, what's the duct works, is all not in your scope of work. So you don't want to take the headache of these all things. So what you would generally do, okay, this is called human method. This is not the alien method what John does. Okay, so generally what you would do is you would open the layers properties or layer properties manager, and then you would say hello to your friends. That means hello to your friends in the sense you would click any one of the architectural layers, isn't it? You will select all of these are under your scope. Let's put grids also in my scope, A, because it's architecture, isn't it? And then right click, and then you would say invert selection. Can you see invert selection? It is here. Okay, and which is not in, isn't it? And you would say adios in the sense turn off, isn't it? And you get something like this, isn't it? And then you will close this thing and say thank you for your support. So whichever is on means the bulb is on. Okay, you can see lit. Okay, and which is not lit means it's off. That means you don't see it. That's common sense, isn't it? So whichever is not in your scope, you say you are not in my scope, you are not welcome, and the other ones be my guest, isn't it? Okay, so you've done this, and then you come back and you see this beautiful clean shaped drawing, isn't it? This is what you like to see, isn't it? This is what you want to see. Any comments? Just a second, somebody is troubling me. Okay, moving forward, isn't it? Moving forward, you get something like this. Okay, you are happy with this. So just what's my question? Question number 1 for all my students. Okay, you like to put your comments in the answers in the comment section. Okay, what's the question, John? That's the question to the students. Okay, the question is as follows. Okay, before I open this drawing, just give me what I'm trying to tell you is, okay, before I open this drawing, I would like AutoCAD to give me this kind of lists of layer, all the list of layers which is available in a given drawing. Let's give you an example. Now this layer, this drawing is called what? Object/isolation, isn't it? It's called object/isolation. Okay, before I open this drawing, I want AutoCAD, before I open this drawing, I want AutoCAD to do me a favor. Okay, that's being a good child. Give me, or let's say give John or the person who is opening this drawing, the list of all the layers which are available in the given drawing. Done? Okay, after that, which layer you like to keep them on, you have an option. You select them. Which you don't want, you don't select. But after I open the drawing, you should be having all the layers in my layers properties. But which I don't want, it should not be on. Okay. So just write your answer. This is the question for all my alien students in the comment section. Okay, so first question was what? Let me give you the question again. Okay, see, this is the trailer for the movie. Let's just close this drawing. Okay, I click this drawing. Isn't it? When I open this drawing, you see I get the headache. It is not my scope of work. Like let's say 90% of the job is not my scope of work. Imagine or assuming that I am an architect, isn't it? Architect's scope of work, just giving an example, all elements under A is under the scope of the architect, isn't it? Okay, just give me an example here. Okay, I am trying to give you some example here. Okay, invert selection, and isn't it? Turn it off, and this is what you get, isn't it? I would like, when I open the drawing, I want to see only this, but when I come to the layers properties, I need to see all the layers existing. So if tomorrow or something I like to add, let's say, on this layer on there, I should be able to do it. Okay, that was question number 1. What was question number 2 then? By one. Okay, so this is the story. Okay, I think I forgot question number 2. Seriously, I forgot question number 2. Anyway, when I review this video again, I will get the question again. Okay, this came out my mind and then I got distracted somehow. Fine. Anyway, okay, I hope this question is clear. Okay, the question is, how do you on layers, which is before you open the drawing. Before you open the drawing. Okay, I hope this much is clear. The question is clear. I like you put the answer in the comment section. Okay, another one. Let's suppose, okay, let's say you said a whatever, okay, and then if you, let's say, John, I am the mechanical, or let's say the electrical guy. I believe I have not given any video. Okay, and then go to the electrical. Okay, and tell them all. So you get something like this, beautiful, isn't it? Architect plus electrical, isn't it? So I'd like I like my students, or I like your answers to be put in the comment section. I'd review it. I like you to give me something efficient. Okay, trying to think out of the box. Out of the box in the sense, try not to be a human, try to be an alien, isn't it? That's why you become an ACP or an ACI, isn't it? Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. I'd like to see beautiful answers in the comment section. Okay, if you cannot do it, I will help you in the next class. That's for sure. Okay, take care, and I think we see each other fresh and energized in the next class. Okay, I think that's it for today, and we see each other in the next class. Bye.